Here's a new type of cancer treatment that will hopefully become available by 2026 or 2027. It involves the idea of using chimeric antigen receptors with natural killer cells instead of T cells. We already have the CAR T cells that we've been using successfully in diseases like multiple myeloma, ALL, and so on, but those CAR Ts are very expensive, and when they work beautifully well, but occasionally they may not work as well as you'd hope. So one of the big problems is you have to actually get the T cells from the patient themselves, take them to a lab, modify them, and then re-inject them back into the patient. This is a process that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars. Not every insurance will cover it. And again, there's still toxicity with CAR T, something called cytokine releasing syndrome or other neurological issues that could happen. So the reason something like CAR NK or chimeric antigen receptor natural killer cells are exciting is because theoretically they don't need to attach to a T cell receptor, so you can buy them off the shelf. You don't have to have this long convoluted process of getting your own cells sent to a lab and then re-injected weeks later. This is something that potentially you can get within days. Also, the hope with the natural killer chimeric antigen receptor cells is that the toxicity is less. You're not having the same inflammatory molecules being released the same way that CAR T is,